What's up, everybody? Today I got a 2010 Malibu 2.4. I'm going to be changing the thermostat. I've already started to let this coolant drain out of here. There's not a lot left in here. But what we're going to do, we're going to take these two bolts, get this in here, and here, leading off your upper hose here. The thermostat lives up underneath there. I'm trying to get a good shot of this. It's a little tight. Okay, there we go. That's our thermostat housing right there. We're going to take those two 10mm bolts out of there, and our thermostat is underneath there. So I'm going to crack those loose, get them out, and I'll be back. Alright, what I'm doing is using this 1/4 inch 10mm and two 6-inch extensions. Guess I should have done this without the universal. That's what your bolt will look like. There's our thermostat. We're going to pull that on out of there, put our new one in. It's not the correct tool for the job, but it's what I got handy. And it works. There we go. There's the whole one with the seal. Always want to change that. And also, when you're changing thermostats on some cars, they will have a air bleed made inside of here, and you'll hear it rattling. These don't have one, so you can stick this one in any kind of way. If you do have the air bleed, that air bleed has to be at the top. Stick our hose back on here, get our bolts in, and always start these bolts by hand. They are very easy to cross thread. And I didn't tighten it all the way down. I want to leave a little free place so I can get the bottom one in. Just tighten it right back up. Try and tighten them up evenly as you can. And remember, this is 1/4 inch. You don't need to gorilla torque this. You do need to snug it up. Alright. Put a little clip back here where this came off. Our aluminum is just falling apart from the heat. It's like anytime you touch it, it just crumbles right in your hand. Okay, we're just going to fill our coolant back up. We're going to let this thing run, let the thermostat open up. Make sure everything is everything, and that should conclude that. So, if this helped you out in any way, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will be back.